I wanted to try something different and I wanted to try something new. Over the past years, my art has evolved in ways that I can't even imagine because I've been doing so many things and I love it. My art has no boundaries and it's just incredible. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how I merged wood and canvas to make a cohesive work of art as a commissioned art piece. A friend reached out to me earlier this year who wanted a commissioned art piece. He wanted a piece that was abstract, basically showed all of his emotions, something that represented him and who he is becoming. He wanted a piece that kind of embodied who he was and almost seemed like a self-portrait, but an abstract style of a self-portrait. Before I started the painting, I wanted to add a cool message, something that represented him and the energy that he was attracting. I really didn't have a goal or a vision as to what this was gonna look like. Of course, you have feelings and you have some things like vision, but you don't really have anything else. Well, for me at least. So I was just experimenting at first. The wood part is going to come later, I promise. We're gonna add that later, but for now, I am just having fun with the canvas and just letting loose. I'm just letting my energy come out. I am starting to feel his energy as I'm painting this, and I didn't show this as part of the video, but I had a moment of reflection. I had 10 minutes to myself and just looking at the canvas, just kind of embodying what I wanted to represent and the styles that I wanted to show. I also wanted to make sure that the colors were right. My friend is from India, or his family's from India, so I wanted to kind of represent that style of color, of energy, of life. And I really didn't know what I was doing at first, to be honest. I was just having fun, and it was kind of cool just to let loose and to have an abstract day. I kind of was going through mountains at first, and I added in some graffiti embellishments, and that was typically my style. I had graffiti embellishments with a pop of color, but with this I was using more pastels and I was adding more blacks and just trying to incorporate things that I felt at the moment. So there wasn't really any rhyme or reason to what I was doing. I honestly was just having fun and letting loose. When my friend told me about this piece that he wanted, he basically just mentioned feelings that he wanted to feel. He told me that he wanted to feel alive, energetic, inspired, motivated, and honestly, just full of life. He wanted the painting to embody a lot of the things that he was going through and just the person that he was becoming. And that's what I wanted to hit on, the person that you're becoming. So there's going to be a lot of layers. There's going to be a lot of going back and forth with the colors, with the subject and whatever it is that I was trying to create. So it was going back and forth. And this painting took me about 4 days to complete. I was working on it for 8 hours each day, if you can believe that. But of course, when it's abstract, you just don't see that. But there was a lot of going back and forth, a lot of stepping away, coming back to it, and a lot of thinking about it, because there was also the wood. The wood part was something that I wanted to incorporate. That was something that I kind of had as a contingency to my friend too. I told him, I really want to make this piece for you, but I want to try something different. And he trusted my vision, he's trusted my style, and he was like, do your thing, go ahead and let loose. If you can see here, I'm actually going over everything that I painted the day before, and I had a new vision. I had a clear vision, I would say, and I knew what I wanted to do and what I wanted to create. So I started to map things out with a charcoal pen, and I started to create some of the visions that I was having. And what I wanted to create was something that was attracting towards the middle, which is my friend. I wanted to bring life into the middle of the work to embody him, as to show that he was becoming an attractive person. He was becoming a person of abundance, of love, of good energy. And the things that were on the outside of it, he was kind of letting go and attracting the good things towards him. This is when it was time to add in the wooden part. So as I said before, this is abstract style, so I really didn't know what I was doing. I just had visions and ideas. So I had a lot of scrap wood in my art studio that I knew that I wanted to use somehow, some way. As you see, I'm laying things out, just trying to figure out positioning and seeing how things are going to look. And I also didn't know how I was gonna attach it to the canvas, so I had to figure that out as well. But I have CA glue, which is type of a super glue that was allowing me to create what I wanted to create. So it allowed me to stick it onto the canvas and create this beautiful masterpiece. But once the slats were on the canvas, I still had a lot of work to do by adding paint and adding a decent amount of paint and the texture and style to create the vision that I wanted to create.
Yes. I think it's good.
Oh. Lower?
Actually,
It's good.
it's pretty cool. It's like you have different wood.
It goes really well with your couch too.
Yo, that's
It's a nice little accent to the couch. Let's go.
Have you seen this space before?
dude.
Once.
You sir.
Once.
You sir are incredible. First of all.
Yeah, this came out dope. John loved it, by the way.
Yeah.